Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with heat. Aim the hairdryer at the sticker for about 30 to 60 seconds to soften the adhesive. You want the glue to become pliable, not burn the surface, so keep the dryer moving. Once done, wedge a plastic scraper under one corner and lift gently. Peel at a low angle to reduce tearing. If the sticker rips, reheat the torn area and continue slowly. This helps pull the adhesive away without gouging the finish. Once the sticker is off, you'll often have adhesive left behind. That's where solvent and patience win. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or a citrus-based remover to a microfiber cloth, then dab and let it sit for 20 to 30 seconds so the solvent penetrates. Next, wipe in a circular motion to lift the residue. If you see marks, reapply heat briefly and repeat. Make sure to test the solvent first. Different finishes react differently, so always protect the surface. You finish by washing the area with mild detergent and water, then drying with a soft cloth to restore the original look. If you notice any scratches or slight color loss, use a manufacturer-approved touch-up pen or plastic polish to blend the finish. If adhesive stubbornly remains, reheat and apply an adhesive remover like Goo Gone, work in small sections, and always test on an inconspicuous spot first. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.